How to backup and restore sticky notes on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily backup your sticky notes. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your sticky notes app, and once you load up your notes, you can add or delete any notes from here if you want. So here I've got this like, share, and subscribe note. So if I just close this out, in order to back it up, what you can do is first go to this PC, then go to C drive. Now you're going to have to go to app data. You can find it on program files. If you don't see it here, just go back. Now from here, go to users, go to your user, and then from here, find the app data. Once you find it, go to local, and then you're going to have to find the sticky notes here. You can find it on the packages folder, and then find Microsoft Sticky Notes. So just type in sticky here and it should show up right here. I'm going to click on any one of them and then simply search for sticky. It should show the folder right here. Just wait for a bit. So it's right here. Go ahead and open this. And then from here, you're going to have to go to local state. Then go to dir output, or you could just go ahead and copy this plum.sqlite file. Copy it, store it wherever you want, and you can transfer it. So all of these sticky notes will be stored here. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.